is me, Arnold. This is a typical Tuesday. This is where I get my abs and all of my big muscles. And that's why they call it the Muscle Beach, because of me. As you can see behind me is Gold's Gym. That's where I trained for the Olympics. And that's where they shot the documentary Pumping Iron. Oh yes.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Sometimes I come here and take a look at my star. It's fantastic. This Terminator doll here. It's so realistic. But take a look at the details here. The face and the metal, the exoskeleton. Look, it's spinning out there. Beautiful craftsmanship. This is one of my favorites. The Conan the Barbarian. I'm really proud of this work. These are my animals. I have a few of those. My little ones. They're my pets. This is my resort. That's my board with my wife Maria. I'm retired. You know, I'm no longer a bodybuilder, a governor. I'm kind of like an old actor who just like to live up here in the mountains and just hang around. It's so beautiful. Only in California. The ocean, the sky, the clouds. This is my hometown. I will stay here forever. I will live forever, actually. So yeah. But wait a second. What is that light? What is going on? What is that weird laugh?
Missä mä oon? Mikä tää kieli on, mitä mä puhun? Hei, anteeksi, mulla on kylmä.
Perus Suomen talvi.
Suomi! Hei, oota, kuuntele mua. Mä oon Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Joo, eiks toi Arska imitaatio vähän 2008?
Arska imita!
Vanha läppä!
En mä imitaattori! Kyllä mä tiedän, se on vaan... Tää on niin kylmä. Hei, anteeksi.
Mitä vittua?
Voit sä auttaa mua? Mä oon jumissa Suomessa.
On vittu nyt siitä!
Ei älä tule, ei oikeesti älä mene, mulla on kylmä. Miksei kukaan usko mua?
Ei, sinä.
Häh? Suomen presidentti?
Minä uskon sinua.